The WOW signal's frequency was recorded as 1420.4556 MHz, remarkably close to the hydrogen line. This proximity is striking and unlikely to be coincidental. The difference between the two frequencies is only about 0.05 MHz, or about 0.0035% variance. This slight difference might seem puzzling, but there's a scientific explanation that strengthens the signal's potential significance. The small frequency difference could be explained by the Doppler effect, the same phenomenon that causes a siren to change pitch as an ambulance passes. If the source was moving relative to Earth, the frequency would shift slightly. A source moving toward Earth would produce a higher frequency, blue shift, which is what we observe with the WOW signal. The slightly higher frequency suggests a relative motion toward Earth at approximately 36 kilometers per second, well within the range of typical stellar motions in our galaxy. Alternatively, the transmission might have been deliberately offset from the exact hydrogen line frequency. A civilization might transmit near, but not exactly at, the hydrogen line to indicate artificial origin. Natural hydrogen emissions occur precisely at the hydrogen line, so a slight offset might serve as a marker saying, this is an intentional signal. What makes the frequency aspect particularly compelling is that SETI scientists had predicted, before the signal's detection, that the hydrogen line would be the most logical frequency for first contact. In their 1959 paper, physicists Giuseppe Cocconi and Philip Morrison specifically proposed 1420 MHz as the most likely frequency for alien transmissions. The signal's appearance at almost exactly this frequency, 18 years after this prediction, significantly increased its credibility. Dr. Frank Drake, who conducted the first modern SETI experiment in 1960, also focused his search on frequencies near the hydrogen line. By the 1970s, the international community had recognized this frequency range's importance, designating it as a protected band where terrestrial transmissions were restricted. The signal's frequency alignment with theoretical predictions is extraordinary. Scientists had essentially said, if aliens try to contact us, they'll likely use this specific frequency, and then a signal appeared at almost exactly that frequency.